little bit of aloha.
It's a beautiful dish full of color and flavor.
Sauteed bell peppers, spinach, and onions, and then asparagus. And we added in brown sugar, and the chicken was so good. The sauce was super sweet, and we put a pineapple on top too.
Imagine, you never cooked before, and now you come up with this. Well, that's the story for Hannah Puckett. This Pima Community College culinary student enjoys her first day of class at Pima's first day of its newly renovated culinary program.
I've actually been struggling with myself trying to figure out what to do. I was at art school for a little bit, and when I was really young, I really wanted to cook. I feel like this would be the place for me because I feel like there's lots of job opportunities and it's a life skill for yourself.
This is day one. Day one. Wow.
Also a first is Hannah's instructor, Bjorn Hockenhol, who kicked off his debut at Pima, hoping to take his new class to levels they'd never imagined.
I want them to go into someplace better. Country club, cruise ship, vacation spots, spas, where they can really showcase their talent.
For Hannah, she's already picked up on some great advice going forward to becoming a world-class chef.
You have to be patient with yourself, for sure, and you have to be patient with your peers.
This is Sherry Gyro reporting.